Well, everybody, welcome to another episode of Koolaid Outdoors. Today, fat guy is going to be in a kayak. After a 24-hour round trip of going to get this puppy, I had other stuff to do, but while I was up there, I bought this. So it took me 24 hours to get back. And today, we have this. It's the Ascend 133x. And also, this is pretty much my first time on a kayak. I took the boys out on the other day just to kind of test it out, and I was on it for like a couple minutes is all. But this is pretty much the maiden voyage of it because I've never fished out of it yet, and completely solo by myself today. I'm up here at Harvey Gap. I'm gonna be sticking pretty close to shore today since this is my first time on a kayak, so hopefully work our way over there is the plan. Yeah, I don't have much on it yet. This is my setup. I got a couple poles. This is the only accessory I bought for it so far is a rod holder, or not a rod holder, a kayak or a paddle holder, sorry. I have everything almost tethered. I have my seat tethered. I have my one rod tethered, so hopefully I don't lose anything out of it. But yeah, that's it so far. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Like and subscribe. We're gonna try to catch some pike today. Maybe some perch if possible, but the main focus is going after pike. But hopefully we can catch some perch on there, and maybe some crappie. That'd be cool. Anything right now would be cool to catch out of the kayak. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy. If you guys want to see a review video, which I might do anyway, an actual fat guy review in this kayak. I'm a big dude. Not gonna get any specific weights, but so far, I'm not sure about it. Even though it's got a 550-pound capacity, I don't exceed that, by the way, just saying. But it's not as stable as everyone made it sound. It's not as stable as everyone made it sound. So I might do a review video on it after I get to using it more and stuff like that. But I want to get using it before I do, a lot of that kind of stuff. So hope you guys enjoy. Let's get to fishing. Alrighty, folks. Hopefully you can hear me. Let's see if we can do something today. Come on. Turn over here. Oh, Nikes. Almost fell. Whew. Sketchy. Alright, let's see if we can do this. Preferably without tipping, if I can get off the shore. So far, so good. Easy. Whoa, alrighty, don't like that there. Gonna have to move that later. Alrighty, folks, well, made it to our first spot. I did throw one out in the middle. Well, not in the middle, towards that other side, just to see if I could actually cast. And that's good, I can. So, let's see if we can catch something. And I'm an idiot. I forgot the net. I even put a tether on it and everything and forgot about it. So that's awesome. I did not know there was a house right there. Well, I can see the bottom here. That's good, I guess. I've never been able to get back over here because honestly I've been too lazy to walk this far. It's a long walk back here. Something that took me what? I don't even know. Didn't even look. Let's say 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Would have taken me an hour to walk back this far. So this is kind of cool. This is why I wanted this thing, is so I could access stuff easier and faster. And I only got a few hours to fish today. I gotta go meet somebody, have a meeting, so it's kind of cool. Get back here, get some fishing, and get out. As long as I don't tip. Let's spray it up. Don't know if the old spinner bait's gonna make it. Might have to change it up. And to be honest, I'm thinking about going to shore to do that for my first changeover, because whew, I don't know. I don't know if I trust this thing enough to do it yet. Not experienced enough for it, that's for sure. I know I've only got a few casts in, but why not change it up, right? So, I got old Reliable rigged up on this one. Right, that off there. Alrighty. Let's try old Reliable. Holy cow, folks. I wasn't sure if I was recording. I got a fish. First fish on the kayak. Woohoo! Hopefully I can land it. What is it? A bass, it looks like. Ooh, he's fighting. Come on, big fella. Oh shit, we got us a largie. Oh, do or die. Holy cow. Yes. I mean, sorry, pardon my language. Yeah. That's still not that good. Holy cow, that's awesome. First largie on the kayak, y'all. Hell yes. See if I can get my phone out without dropping this thing. I don't know how to measure this without tipping. Oof. Yeah, I'm not gonna try that. I'm not stable enough here. About a 14-inch. Heck yeah. All right, fellas. Let's let this big guy go. And he's off. Heck yeah. Whoa. That's right. Old Reliable coming in clutch on the kayak for the first time. This is why I love this thing. God, I love this lure. This thing has just caught me so many fish. And first day fishing on the yak, and it pulls off a bass. 14-inch bass, roughly. I couldn't get exactly. Measuring was a little sketchy, but roughly 14. I didn't get a weight. I have my scale, but I was too scared to grab it, so we'll get there. But gotta love it. First bass, or no, third bass of the year. First bass on the yak. First bass on this of the year with the HD Trout. Man, I love this lure. This thing catches everything. Anywho, yeah. Sorry, I'm super excited. I can't quit talking. Whew. I gotta settle down though. This thing's getting a little tippy on me, but I get a little tense and a little so excited. But anywho, whew, let's get to fishing. Let's get back to fishing. Too much fun. Got it. Can't stop. Alright, folks. I don't know if you can see it, but right over in there, just right as I threw it in there, he nailed it. A little past it now. Let's see if I can get. Oh no, didn't quite get there. You know what? Let's get back over there a little bit and then we'll hit those up over there. Whew, man, I wish I'd have put some sunscreen on. It's getting toasty. Oh, come on. Oh, that thing is a bitch. Well, folks, first snag in the yak. Let's see if I can recover reliable here, because God, I hope so. I love this lure. Ah, come on. Man, she's on there good too. Ha ha ha! Yeah! Whoops, that was a bad cast. All right, everybody, well, we're off the water already. Weather's starting to come in, and I'm not experienced enough to be on here when the wind's howling, so I thought I better get off of there while I can. This side is a little more calm, but that storm kind of looks like it's going to be rolling in, so like I said, I don't want to take a chance. First time impressions. I love it and I hate it. I love it because you can get to places that you normally can't, and I hate it because it's not as stable as everyone said it was. Granted, they're a couple 100 pounds lighter than me, which might make a big difference. For all the big guys out there that are looking for a kayak, I still recommend it. I love it. It's not as stable as I thought it was going to be, but it's still pretty stable. I haven't really come close to tipping at all. It's just, but I'm also being very careful. So, not like, yeah, I'm being pretty careful. I try to lean this stuff. I'm still a little nervous since I'm so new at it. I'm still a little nervous that when I try to reach for something and starts to tip, freaks me out a little bit. So I'm not quite used to that yet. But I still recommend it. It's still, I have all the scrubber plugs in except one, and I never had water come in it at all. When I first launched, I seen some kind of spit up, but it went right back out, and that was it. Seat's pretty comfy. I have the seat in the lowest setting also to try to keep me lower, so it wasn't so, any more tippy. I'm hoping to be able to get advanced enough to get it lifted up, so I'm sitting a little higher, so we'll see there. But yeah, so far I really like it. I do have to move the mount that I put on there for the rod. Yeah, let's see if I can get it right there. That rod mount, I gotta move it. I keep hitting it with the oar, so I learned that lesson. I don't know if I like I don't know if I like that thing or not. I don't know if it's gonna work out. Might have to get a different kind or something. It's too hard to get in. It's so far away for me because I'm so big that I'm scared to lean that far ahead in that much of an angle. So, but yeah, so far I really like it. I mean, there's some things I'm not sure about it yet, but I am still pretty dang new. Like this compartment, I really like it, but I am too scared to reach it. So for me, for now, I'm definitely gonna have to stop and be able to get in here. I didn't have much. Just had my GoPro batteries, got my HD Trout stuff, and then I got a money bag full of just random stuff. Got some big swim baits in there. That'll be on a future video since I didn't get it done today. So yeah, that's about all I got in here. Forgot my net, but I got two rods, my PFD of course, my pliers, and my scissors, and I have everything tethered like I said, except for the stuff in here of course. But I didn't take much, and then I don't know if you've seen the video, but I forgot to lock this all the way. But at least it's, even at that angle, it was still locked, and I was too scared to try to reach for it to lock it. So it's got to be pretty much straight for it to open. So at least I lucked out there if I was to tip over. But anywho, like I said, first impressions for a big guy. So far, I like it. I do recommend it for a big guy. You just got to be careful. But like I said, I haven't even come close to tipping yet. So, but yeah, so far so good. Alrighty, folks. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Sorry it's a short one. The weather coming in, I didn't want to get caught out there. So yeah, at least we caught one bass. That was awesome. So we got the first fish, got the skunk out of the boat already in the first day. So that's awesome. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe. Catch you in the next adventure. I'm out.